Hi everyone, it's me, Dr. Butler, back talking to you again. And this time I want to give you another installment in my most basic self-care course that is coming to you via YouTube this morning or today, whenever you're watching this. So I wanted to talk with you about your parasympathetic nervous system. Pretty amazing system that we have that's regulating so many things in our bodies. And basically, under stress, your body doesn't do a couple of important things very efficiently or even maybe at all, depending on what's going on. So just to explain, one of the first things it doesn't do is it doesn't really care so much about digestion. So that's why under stress you might have tummy troubles of any kind, including heartburn, GERD, and of course anything else that gets in your way regarding that. So anything you can do to keep your system running, eating foods that don't irritate you, even if they are comfort foods and taste the best, lots of fiber, lots of water. Secondly, your body doesn't care about immunity, which is why under stress we do get sick and pick up the cold or the bug that's going around, which is especially poignant right now. So that's why, of course, all of your self-care, hand washing and distancing and all those things that you are doing is also helping you under this stressful time. Finally, which is really the point of my talk today, you don't make saliva when you're under stress. Stop right now and check yourself out. Do you have a dry mouth? Probably, I bet you do, and really no amount of water is going to soothe that. So here's the body hack. I recommend that you have some gum or some hard candy kicking around your workspace, your desk, your car, maybe in your break room, in your police car, ambulance, fire truck, wherever you are. Just make sure there's something there that people can access and that you can have. Because the minute you put some gum or candy in, you make saliva. And that's your parasympathetic nervous system saying, oh, I guess you're maybe not so bad, you're okay. So it's a very simple and very effective thing to do, and it's something that's in your control. With so many things that are not in your control right now, let's remember, it's what you can do, not what you can't. And when you put yourself in that, I call it the seat of power, where you're driving it, then that will give you the feeling that you can do a lot more for yourself and for others than the circumstances seem to dictate around us as we watch the news. Okay, so finally, just to connect to the last video where I taught you how to breathe, deep breaths also, of course, trick your parasympathetic nervous system because anxious breathing is shallow breathing. And as we all know, the first thing people do when they're under stress is they don't breathe properly. So just before we go, at the end of this video, if you have an extra 30 seconds, ground yourself, close your eyes, drop your shoulders, focus on something, and take that breath in through your nose and out through your mouth slower than it went in. And there you can see my shoulders dropped. Do this for yourself, and then I'll stop the video. And there's your little heart. Thanks. Okay, you got this. I'll see you in the next video.